70. Anyone can understand my words. Anyone can follow what I say. Yet few gather the essence of my words, and virtually no one puts them into practice. Born from silence, my words pass through the occupied mind without so much as a notice. Yet, when one is ignorant and receptive, my words open doors of infinite possibility. My words are rooted in the soil of antiquity, so ancient that time itself is exhausted going back that far. I was there before the beginning. I was nothing before changes began to take place. I am nothing in the face of all manifestations. Actions disturb time before fading from consequence, having no lasting effect. Because I am still, I have the discipline to express everything. Because people do not recognize my expressions, they do not see me. Because people do not understand my words, they do not learn from me. Because people do not comprehend themselves, they do not know me. Few really know me. Those who do must be somewhere. But where? Those who carry me with them are often honored and celebrated, brokering fame in the community. There is much power in my words and expressions, even when I speak softly, even when I suffer misunderstanding and abuse. In spite of it all, I endure and protect everyone, wherever they are, in whatever they do. It is my nature to nurture the essence of all being. Whoever spends time pursuing me wears dust from the journey. Be careful of one who spends time polishing appearances. Too much care for the wrapping camouflages any treasure within. Look for one in tattered clothes who sees much and says little. Appearances deceive. Listen. My wisdom is available from one with jewels concealed in the cave of the heart.